Hello everyone again. This talk will be about a tiny CLI tool that I built out of frustration because I have been working with OpenTelemetry and I had some frustrations. The reason why I had these was that if you were here for my talk previously, we are running OpenTelemetry collectors in clusters where we don't necessarily have Prometheus. And we wanted to troubleshoot memory metrics that were exposed in OpenTelemetry collectors with Prometheus exporter. As I mentioned, we didn't really have Prometheus running in that cluster, and we needed a quick and lazy way to take a look at what kind of metrics are exposed, whether we have any cardinality issues, and things like that. So this is why I built this tool, Promstat. It's pretty simple. What it can do is that you provide a text file that's basically a matrix file that you are getting from /matrix that can be Prometheus exporter running exposed on an OpenTelemetry collector, or it can be a locally saved file. Then you can specify the number of metrics in terms of labels that you want to inspect. You can turn in and off labels, and you can print statistics. So what you can do with this silly tool is that you can provide a flag and a matrix file. Then you can do stats, and that will basically give you statistics on the actual metrics. If you have lots of metrics, it will look like this. But for example, you can see information like this that you wouldn't really, that you cannot really have otherwise just from the text file. Most frequent key value pairs, you see that, which are the most frequent key value pairs. You can see information on the metrics that you have. And the actual source file for this is just a regular metrics dump. It's, I don't know, a couple of hundreds or thousands lines of code. If you want to troubleshoot based on this, that's very problematic. So another use case when you are doing troubleshooting with this tool is that you can specify the number of metrics that you want to focus on. So you can do something like -m5, or let's do it with 10. That will give you the 10 biggest metrics in terms of various labels. You will see the information on those. For example, this is not a perfect example. You only have a couple of labels for these metrics, and these are the biggest ones in terms of labels. But for example, here you can see the most frequent key value pairs, and you can also see information labels with the most unique values per metric. This is similar information that you can get out of Prometheus. If you are running Prometheus, you can go to TSDB status, and this is fairly similar to what you can see there. The benefit here is that you only need a CLI. You can get a metrics dump from a customer or a user, or during local development, and even without spinning up a Prometheus instance, you can get this information. Another benefit is that if you have cardinality issues and that Prometheus is dying because of the cardinality that you are ingesting into it, you can also use this tool to find out where the cardinality explosion happened. And a couple of other capabilities, like this is the stats. What you can also do is that you can do, let's stay with 10, so -m shows you the 10 biggest metrics. And you can also do // show values that will show you all the various labels. Making UIs that can scale to a large amount of data is a very hard task. This tool will also suffer if you try to visualize lots of data with it. But for quick troubleshooting and one-off experiments, it's fine. It's better than grabbing through all the text-based format that you have. Optimally, this would be nice to be integrated into the OpenTelemetry ecosystem in form of an exporter. That's something that I'm thinking about lately. Maybe that can help in the same situation when I was frustrated with the output with the exporters that you can use nowadays if anyone is interested in this project, then come and find me after the talk, and I'm happy to show you and share the code with you.